Today we finished 10th question. 11th question once you read it, Hasni. 11th question.
If the perimeter and the area of a circle is numerically equal, then the radius of a circle is.
This Hasni. So they said that Hasni, perimeter of circle is equal to what, Hasni? Area of circle.
Yes, sir.
They only gave it in the question.
Yes.
Now what is perimeter of circle, Hasni? Perimeter is nothing but circumference of the circle.
Okay.
Okay, 2 pi r is equal to area of circle means
Pi r square.
So Hasni, now from this we need to just find out the radius, Hasni.
Okay.
Okay, r we need to find out. For that, what I will do is, Hasni, I'll bring r terms one side, Hasni, and normal, like how to solve this equation is, Hasni, we can take first many ways to solve it, Hasni. One of the ways this, Hasni. If I take this pi both sides, can I cut it, Hasni? Because if I go to the other side, pi will get cut.
Okay.
So here it's multiply now. So we'll go to the other side. Pi will get cut. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So I got now 2r is equal to r square, Hasni. So this r also, let us take it this side, Hasni. So what will we get, Hasni? R square by
R.
So r square by r. X square by x means x into x is x square. No, like that, r into r is r square. So 1 r will get cut, no?
Yes, sir.
So now finally leftover thing is nothing but radius.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So directly radius is how much, Hasni? 2 units.
Okay, sir. How many?
Okay. 12th question. Option A has to be this one.
Okay.
We just equated as per the statement, Hasni, and we found out r from that. Just equation simplification.
Okay, sir.
No doubt, no, Hasni?
So could you repeat?
No doubt, no, Hasni, this.
No, sir.
Hasni?
No doubt, sir. So 1 second, sir. My mom came.
Okay.
Sir, I can continue till 6:30, sir, if it's okay.
Oh, just a second, Hasni. I messaged one student. I just once I checked it once.
Okay, sir. It's okay if it's not possible, sir.
So, Hasni, 12th question, 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. What is the probability that 6 will come up at least once, Hasni? So, we already know probability chapter, Hasni. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. 2 dice means, Hasni, we know that the outcomes will be, that is, we'll call sample space, Hasni. Sample space means the total number of outcomes, which we'll write it in the flower brackets, Hasni. That is, what are the 2 dice means, Hasni? We will get in total 36 outcomes, Hasni. We already know it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, like that, so on, 1 comma 6. Similarly, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, so on, 2 comma 6. Like the total, it will end at 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, so on, 6 comma
6.
Okay. Now, Hasni, in that way, the question is, Hasni, now, what is the probability that 6 will come up at least once, Hasni? At least once means, Hasni, it can come both the times also not a problem, one time also not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, at least, suppose for example, at least 20 out of 25 we should get means, if you get 20 also no problem, Hasni, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 also not a problem. At least 20 means minimum that.
Okay.
So here, what is the probability that it will come at least once means, in the first row, 1 comma 6 is 1, Hasni.
Okay.
Second row 2,6. Third row 3,6. Fourth row 4,6. Fifth row 5,6.
Okay.
Sixth row all of them.
Okay.
So how many has in total? Number of possible outcomes? Number of possible outcomes is in total how many has been? 11. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1,6, 2,6, 3,6, 4,6, 5,6. And in the sixth row, all the 6.
Okay.
6,6 also can be considered because at least once is both also not a problem.
Okay, sir.
So, because of that reason, probability of getting at least 1,6. Okay, Hasmi?
Okay, sir.
2,6 is equal to number of possible outcomes by total outcomes. So answer is C, Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasmi?
No doubt, sir.
Yes. We'll delete it, Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 13th one has me. If the circumference of this is 12th one has me. Number of possible outcomes, I think you understood it as.
Yes, sir.
13th one has me. If the circumference of circle is 176 centimeter, then its radius is 28 centimeter has me. This we can find out. So they said that circumference, 13th question assertion part has me. Circumference is circumference is 176 centimeter has.
Okay.
Radius is 28 itself. So we'll find out once. 2 pair is given as 176.
Okay.
2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 1 is equal to 176 as me. So now radius we want means these two will go that side. 176 into 2 will become 1 by 2 and 22 by 7 will become 7 by 20, 7 by 22 as me. Any doubt as me?
No, sir.
Okay, as me. Now we'll cut it as me. So 2 and this 176 will get that. 2 8 is 16 or 88. Okay, 22 ones are 22 fours are. We get the idea directly. 4 into 7 has me, which is 28. Correct, Hasmi?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now they whatever they said is true, Hasmi. First statement. Because they said that as per the given information, radius is 28 centimeters, they said. We got 28 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Assertion is true. No, circumference of circle formula is 2 pi r only.
Okay.
This is also true, Hasni. But Hasni, because if then its radius is 28 centimeter, actually, if we substitute this 28 in this 2 pi r and if we solve it, we'll get circumference 176 only. Okay, 2 into 22 by 7 into 28, 707 fours are. So we're getting it as 2 into 22 into 4. If you do, we'll get 176.
Okay.
So in that way, it should be correct. These type of ones, Asni, actually here we can take it as correct explanation also. Because whatever the value they say radius, that if we keep it in this formula and if we do, we are getting 176.
Okay, sir.
So because of that reason, this what is the answer which your teacher said? Asni, for this? Not explanation, not correct explanation or correct explanation?
Sir, I don't think it's a correct explanation, right, sir?
Asni?
Sir, I don't think it's a correct explanation.
Oh, why Hasni? Because they just gave the formula, Hasni.
So once could you repeat? I'm not able to hear you.
They just gave the formula, so because of that reason, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I cannot see you, Hasni.
Sir, now could you see me?
Not also no Hasni, because so, yes, Hasni. So Actually, we can tell this one because reason is actually in the second reason they just gave the formula circumference of the circle. Anyways, with that only we have to solve the assertion one also.
Okay.
So we can take it as correct explanation only, has
Okay.
because whatever the radius they gave 28, if we keep it in this formula 2 pi r, we are getting 176.
Okay.
So we cannot tell it is not the correct explanation because this is also related with the circumference of the circle. With that radius, we are getting 176.
Okay.
Anyways, in exam, we will not get like this answer because the reason is in the second one, just they gave the formula. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
Once we'll check it with your school answer also, Hasni. Teacher discussed Hasni already.
No, sir, she didn't discuss this.
Okay, Hasni. 14th one, Hasni. Actually, according to me, Hasni, since using 2 pi r, that radius, if we keep it in that and if we solve it, we'll get 176 on circumference. So in that way, we can consider it as correct explanation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Suppose if this radius is keep it here, if we don't get that means, then what is the meaning is as per that particular radius, this is not the correct circumference. Then A will become false, R will become true.
Okay.
If suppose if we didn't get that. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So 14th one, Hasni. If the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are 3, 5, E minus 3 minus 3, minus 3, Hasni, and means in my point of view, Hasni, since whatever the radius they gave here, we kept it here, and if we keep it there, we'll get 176. In that way, it will be correct explanation for 13th one.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So 14th one, Hasni, one see Hasni. Coordinates of the midpoints of the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are these, then BC is equal to 20 units. So these type of questions, Hasni, you should draw a rough figure. Okay.
Okay.
So first they said they are talking about the triangle ABC has A, B, C. Okay.
Okay.
Now Hasni A is given as a no. They said that D is what Hasni respectively they use. You know D and D are midpoints of AB and AC.
Okay.
This is the D and E are midpoints of AB and AC. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
I marked it.
Okay.
Respectively, they said, so we marked it Hasni. Now BC is given Hasni, this is given as 20.
Okay.
Now Hasni, if I join D and D point is given, E point is also given now, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
D is given as 3, 5. E is given as minus 3, minus 3. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now we know from this is linked with both coordinate geometry and triangles chapter, Hasni. If you remember in triangles chapter, there is one midpoint theorem, Hasni, in class 9. What is a midpoint theorem? Is when you join the midpoints, if you draw a line segment by joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle, Hasni, that is here AB and AC are the two sides of the triangle. For them, we selected the midpoints D and E, we joined them. So if you draw a line segment joining midpoints of two sides of the triangle, that particular line segment will be parallel to the third side BC, Hasni, which is left over side, and that particular length is half of BC also.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
This BC is given 20, Hasni. Now, okay,
Okay, sir.
what they are asking now, BC, okay, then BC is 20 it seems. So if we find out DE length, Hasni, DE should be half of BC or BC should be double of DE.
Yes.
So we'll find out first DE length, Hasni. As per the midpoint theorem, whatever DE length will get, this should come 10 now. If it comes 10 now, Hasni, then BC will be double of that or DE will be half of BC.
Okay.
So we are finding out using distance formula. X2 minus x1 whole square minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 minus 5 whole square. So it is minus 6 whole square 36 has me, minus 8 whole square 64 has me.
Okay.
Root 100 we are getting, it is 10 units. So clearly DE actually as per the midpoint theorem has me, DE is half of BC. Okay. So the BC they mentioned it as 20 Hasni. If this is the case means, so clearly half of 20 is 10 only, no?
Yes, sir.
And which we got it is also DE length also 10 only.
Yes, sir.
So this is true Hasni.
Okay.
Because DE distance whatever is there, that the particular one, if you double it, we should get BC. So clearly double of 10 is 20, which is BC.
Okay.
As per midpoint theorem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now, reason Hasni, they said that line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to the half of it. Clearly, this is midpoint theorem statement. Based on this only, we did that one assertion. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is also true and it's correct explanation of it.
Oh,
Thus, based on this only, we did this one. Hasni.
okay, sir.
DE, since D and E are midpoints of the triangle, two sides of the triangle, that particular length will be parallel to BC and also half of the third side BC.
Okay.
So this one also 14 both A and R are true Hasni and the R is correct explanation. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Hasni?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. We'll go to the 15. Shall we go to the 15th one Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So Hasni 15th one, once you read the question Hasni.
Find the relation between x and y such that x comma y is equidistant from point 3 comma 6 and 3
Yes, sir.
comma 4.
And minus 3 comma 4. So Hasni, we already know in coordinate geometry chapter equidistant questions asked. If a point is equidistant from two other points, let that point, suppose here they said that this particular point is equidistant from this as well as the other one itself. So equidistant means what has to be? It is at the same distance from both of them.
Okay, sir.
So if we select that relationship between x and y means whatever final answer after we solve it now has to, that is only the relationship between x and y.
Okay.
So now here what we will do is asking, we'll as per the given question, let us take the point, let p x comma y is equidistant. This point they mentioned, this one I marked it as kx comma y.
Okay.
Equidistant from A 3, let us mark those points as 3, 6 Hasni. A with let us name 3, 6 with A and minus 3, 4 with B. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So now what I will do is Hasni, PA is equal to PB. This is given. PA is equal to PB means what Hasni? The distance of P from A is same as distance of P from B. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
Because already in coordinate geometry chapter, the second exercise we have this type of question. First exercise first.
Okay.
Yes, equidistant questions. So no.
Yes, sir.
So now PA means what has to be distance between P and A. Distance formula we should apply.
Okay.
Similarly, PB means distance between P and B. Equidistant means both of these are same. They said distance from P to A is same as distance from P to B. That's the reason why we wrote PA is equal to PB, which is given in the question. That's why I wrote it in the bracket given.
Okay.
Now let us square it both sides first only, Hasni, because so that we need not write the root on both sides.
Okay, sir.
Because when you do PA square is equal to PB square, Hasni, what will happen is in the distance formula you need not write root now.
Okay, sir.
Only x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus yn whole square. That only we'll write it both sides. Because squaring on root both sides means asking square and root will get cut, no?
Yes, sir.
So less confusion will be there if root is not there.
Okay.
So now only x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square will write it as both sides. Okay, for P and A, can you tell Hasni x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus 1 whole square, what I have to write? P and A, distance formula,
-3 plus 3 whole square.
Hasni?
Sir, under root.
Under root, because squaring on we did it no, Hasni. No need of writing the square root.
Okay, sir.
Because square got removed. Squaring on both sides we did, no?
Yes, so I have to tell all the value of x2 and x1 and y2 and y1.
X2 minus x1 whole square, whatever there inside the square root, that has.
Okay.
Okay.
So -3 plus 3 whole square.
Hasni?
So -3 and plus 3 whole square, sir. Could you hear me now?
No, Hasni. How minus 3 plus 3? PA means what, Hasni? Distance between P and A. We are applying it for this sense.
Okay. Oh, you have to. Okay, sir.
Hasni, you are fully concentrating here only, no?
Yes, sir. I'm getting confused between A and B. Yes, sir. Now I got it.
Equidistant question, Hasni. This is direct textbook one only. Actually, we did it before.
Okay.
So we are applying it for P and A. P and A has. P is x comma y, A is 3 comma 6.
Okay.
Apply it, Hasni, faster. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square for P and A.
Sir, the A value is x2, right? The second
Yes,
one.
Hasni. X2 comma y2 is 3 comma 6. X1 comma y1 is x comma y. P.
Okay, so 3 minus x whole square
Yes, Hasni.
is equals to
Plus,
plus 6 minus y whole square.
yes, Hasni. Is equal to. Similarly, for P and B now.
-3 plus
Yes, Hasni.
whole square
Minus 3.
plus x. -3 minus 3
Minus x square, Hasni. X2 minus x1 whole square plus.
plus 4 minus y whole square.
Yes, Hasni. So, Hasni, 100% you need to solve these sums once again, Hasni, before the exam day on your own. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So now 3 minus x whole square, Hasni. A minus b whole square we are using. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab.
Okay.
So a square means 3 square 9 Hasni, b plus b square plus x square minus 2ab means minus 2 3 is 6x. Now plus 6 square Hasni 36 plus y square minus 12y. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
We just applied a square plus b square minus 2ab. Hasni.
Okay.
So whenever both are minus Hasni, simply you can apply a plus b whole square.
Okay.
Okay, because the reason is if you apply a minus b whole square also here a is negative, no, so minus 2ab when you are writing that will become plus only. Minus 2 into a is minus 3, no, so minus of minus plus 5.
Okay.
So whenever both numbers are minus, you can directly imagine a plus b whole square. 3 square 9 plus x square plus 6x.
Okay.
Because if you consider this as a minus b whole square also, a is negative, no.
Yes, sir.
So minus 2ab when you are writing minus 2 into a is minus 3, no, so minus of minus plus you will get. Anyway, sir, you will get a plus b whole square whenever both are minus.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Ashwin. Now this one again, a minus b whole square. Can you expand it, Ashwin? Because I wrote first one here. What I have to write for this? Four square is
16 square
16, Ashwin.
plus y square
Yes, Ashwin.
minus uh 2 minus 8 plus y.
Minus.
Minus 8 y.
Correct, Ashwin. Now what we will do is Ashwin, we'll cut it. 9, 9. Both sides will get cut. No, 9 minus 9.
Yes, sir.
That's all, Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
If we bring it to the same side, x square also will get cut.
Yes, sir.
Now here y square also will get cut. When you bring it to the same side, y square minus y square 0 it will be.
Okay.
Now leftover terms I am writing Hasni minus 6x plus 36 minus 12y is equal to 6x plus 16 minus 8y. These are the leftover terms.
Okay.
Now I'll bring all the terms to the same side as.
Okay.
So we have already one minus 6 here. This 6x also, if I bring it to the left side, will become minus 6x. Okay.
Okay.
Now minus 12y we have it already, Hasni. This minus 8y, if I bring it to the left side, become plus 8.
Okay.
And plus 36 we have it. Then if you bring it minus 16, any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Now we'll just minus 6x is minus 12x. Correct, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Minus 12y plus 8y will become minus 4.
Okay.
Plus 36 minus 16 will become plus 12 is equal to 0. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir. Could you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Now we can take overall minus 4 common, Hasni. Minus 4 into 3x is minus 12x plus y. Minus 4 into y is minus 4y, Hasni. And minus and minus plus, Hasni, 5 is equal to minus 4 into minus 5 is plus 20. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Now minus 4 will go to the other side, Hasni. 0 by minus 4 will become 0. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So what is the leftover answer, Hasni? Finally, 3x minus, sorry, 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Is the relationship between x and y, Hasni,
Okay.
for the 14th or 15th one, Hasni. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, this is equidistant direct textbook question only.
Okay.
Same model. Just the point which is equidistant from two other points, you need to equate it. P is equal to PB. So squaring on both sides, if you do, you need not write the root, the lengthy root on both sides. You can remove the root first. If you don't know squaring on both sides means, then you have to write the root has. Anyways, you need to do squaring on both sides to remove the root. If you remove the root, then only we can simplify this. That is it.
Okay, sir.
Suddenly, you should not remove this square has. Square root will get cut, not this. Okay.
Okay.
In a hurry, we should not remove these also.
Okay, sir.
Then we applied this the distance from the both sides.
Okay.
Shall I delete it as well?
Yes, sir.
And in the last step, I took minus 4 common because anyways, if you take 4 common on Chassis, later you need to multiply overall with minus because generally x coefficient will make it plus, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the reason why directly first only I took minus 4 common and then I changed the signs inside as per that.
Okay.
Shall I delete the Chassis?
Yes, sir.
So 16th question Hasni, it is actually triangle similarities based on that. So shall we do it Hasni since we didn't do or shall I what shall I explain it Hasni? You'll try to understand.
So, once could you repeat?
Hasni?
So, on your voice was breaking. Once could you repeat again?
Yes, Hasni. 16th question actually is based on similarities of triangles Hasni. Since we didn't do it at that chapter, shall I explain it Hasni? You'll try to understand it or shall we go to the next
Okay. So, we'll go to the next question, sir.
one? We'll go to the next one Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 17th question Hasni. So they said that find the value of x Hasni. So this is directly based on the values only Hasni. This you can understand it easily only. So 2 cosecant square 30 minus x sine square 60 minus 3 by 4 tan square 30. 3 by 4 tan square 30 is equal to 10 Hasni. This is the equation they gave.
Okay.
Now what I am doing it Hasni is I'll just there is one table in trigonometric chapter. Hasn't when we come to the trigonometric chapter, I'll explain. Just you need to substitute those values and solve the equation. So solving equation, anyways, you have idea now. That is the reason why we are doing this. So now to cosecant 30 has me. There is a table in the trigonometry chapter. Cosecant 30 value is has me 2 has me. Okay. Sine cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 will be 2 by 1, which is 2. So cosecant square is there, no? So 2 square.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Minus this has me. X into sine 60 has me. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 has me.
Okay, sir.
It's a value in the table. We need to remember root 3 by 2. Square is there, no?
Yes, sir.
So sine square is there. So root 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4 into tan square 30 has me. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3.
Okay.
So 1 by root 3 square is there, no? So whole square is equal to 10. Any doubt, Rasmi?
No, sir.
So now we just have to simplify this equation. We'll get that. Okay.
Okay.
So 2 into 2 square is how much has me? 4. Minus x into root 3 by 2 whole square means square is for both numerator and denominator has. So root 3 square will become 3, 2 square will become 4. Any doubt has?
No, sir.
Square we have to apply for both numerator and denominator. That's why.
Okay.
So minus 3 by 4 into 1 by root 3 whole square means asking again square is for numerator and denominator. 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3.
Okay.
Is equal to 10. No, 2 4s are 8 has me minus. This is x into 3 by 4 means 3x by 4. And here 3 will get cut now has me.
Yes, sir.
3 by 4 into 1 by 3 we can cut it. So minus 1 by 4 is equal to 10 has.
Okay.
Okay. So now 8 minus 1 by 4 has. 8 minus 1 by 4 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 10. I just brought 8 and normal numbers for together.
Okay.
Same side, no? So we should not change the side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This has. Now here LCM has to overall into LCM will be 4 only because already the other two denominators are 4 only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it will become that 4 8 is 32. If I club it has me directly 32 by shall I club it directly has me because denominators anyways all of them are 4, no?
Yes, sir.
It's has me 4 8 is 32 minus 1 minus 3x by denominator over of 4 is equal to 10.
Okay.
Cross multiplication has me 32 minus 1 is 30. 32 minus 1 is how much has me 31.
Okay.
31 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 10.
Okay.
Cross multiplication has
Okay, sir.
31 minus 3x is equal to 10 into 4 40. Any doubt has me?
No, sir.
Now we'll bring the x terms one side, normal numbers one side has minus 3x is equal to 40 minus 31.
Okay.
So minus 3x is equal to 40 minus 31 is 9 has.
Okay.
So x is equal to 9 by minus. Multiply no, so we'll go to the other side division.
Okay, sir.
So x is equal to 9 by minus 3 1 3 3 is a has me, which is minus. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt has me? Any doubt has me?
No, sir.
So here just the table will be there has me. Sine cos tan if you remember. Sine cos tan values we have to remember has. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, secant is reciprocal of cos, and cot is reciprocal of tan.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
there will be 6 trigonometric ratios. Sine, cos, tan. If you remember in the table, remaining ones you can just write by reciprocal of them.
Okay.
Okay, like here cosecant 30, we can directly write 2 by 1 because sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cosecant is reciprocal of them.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, ask me?
No, sir.
Ask me.
No, sir.
Okay, ask me. So, shall I delete it? Ask me this one.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Actually, your video is off.
Hmm. So you can delete it, sir.
Okay. So 17th question only one more bit is there, Hasni, that only we will do it. So this is actually Hasni sin a minus a plus b. Sin a plus b is equal to 1 Hasni.
Okay.
Means generally Hasni sin a plus b, 1 in sin column Hasni, sin table if you check it in that same table, 1 we will get it for sin 90.
Okay.
So if the indirectly they said that the angle a plus b together is 90 degree. Because if you compare both RHS and LHS Hasni, in the place of a plus b, what we'll have it Hasni 90 degree, no?
Yes, sir.
So a plus b is equal to 90 degree. We should not cut sine and sine like this because it's not multiplication. No, we cannot.
Okay.
Just by observation, the one we replaced it with sine 90. So a plus b, angle is 90.
Okay.
So one of the equation we got it. Now ask me one more equation. One more is given now. Cos a minus b. So cos a minus b is equal to how much Hasni? They said root 3 by 2.
Okay.
So in the cos column Hasni, if you observe cos row, that cos root 3 by 2 we'll get it for cos 30 degree Hasni.
Okay.
So now by observation a minus b is nothing but in the place of a minus b what we have it Hasni? 30 degree.
Degrees.
Just by observing LHS and RHS.
Okay.
It's asking. Now we have two equations now. One is a minus a plus b is equal to 90 and another is a minus b is equal to 30.
Okay.
Same now using linear equations chapter, we'll solve it has both the equations.
Okay.
So a plus b is equal to 90, a minus b is equal to 30. Add. We'll add it as me, b we will get that. A plus a is same like equations x plus x to x like.
Okay.
90 plus 30, 120 has me. So a is equal to 120 by 2, which is 60.
Okay.
Any doubt has me?
No, sir.
Yes. Now we'll just substitute this a is equal to 16 in any one of the equations.
Okay.
Okay. 60 plus b is equal to 90. B is equal to 90 minus 60. B is equal to 30.
Okay.
Any doubt has me?
No, sir.
Yes. So this is the 17th question we will find angles head. So now Hasni in exam, this is a definite question, Hasni, very important one. So if you feel equation solving one is difficult little bit, this is a very easy one to score.
Okay.
You can observe just you need to replace whatever the sign column where one will get that angle you should remember. That is once we learn the table, you will get that Hasni. So sin 90 we replace, then a plus b is 90. Similarly, cos column root 3 by 2 where it will come that we wrote it.
Okay.
And then we solve the equations like linear equations chapter, elimination.
Okay, sir.
So the same they'll change it with the tan and cot as in the
Okay.
exam. Means the same question they'll change the trigonometric ratios. Here sin and cos is given, no?
Yes, sir.
Secant, cosecant like that they
Yes, sir.
tan cot like that they'll change the trigonometry as per the trigonometric ratio which is mentioned here. That particular value which will be given here, and that whatever angle is there that we should write.
Okay.
Okay, Asmi?
Okay.
Here 1 means sine is there here, so that's why 1 will be sine 9.
Okay.
This side is given, sine 1 we have to remember it and we have to write it. Here cos is given, so cos column root 3 by 2 will come for cos 30, so we should write for cos.
Okay, sir.
Here similarly if cot is given, then whatever value they'll give, that particular angle of cot we have to write.
Okay.
Yes, sir. They'll just change the here sin and cos, no? Like in exam, tan and cot will be given, or secant or cosecant. Same question, same one.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Shall I delete it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, you can delete it.
Okay, sir. 18th one. Yes. So 2 points, the points or vertices. Yes, Hasni. This also we covered it in the textbook, Hasni. So if you remember, Hasni, whenever they say vertices of a parallelogram and find any of the vertex, we need to simply equate the diagonal midpoint of diagonal 1 is equal to midpoint of diagonal 2, Hasni. If you remember, in textbook we have a few questions. We did it already.
Okay.
So here they said that Hasni, these particular figure in vertices or the diagonal vertices of a parallelogram.
Okay.
A1 comma 2 Hasni, B2 comma 3 Hasni, and CK comma 2. D is how much Hasni? Minus 4 comma. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
So now Hasni, what I'll do is to find out the K which is unknown value here Hasni. There is one property of parallelogram called the midpoint diagonals bisect each other. The same thing you can apply it for rectangle, square, rhombus also if similar question is given. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
So this point is common for all of them. What is the meaning of that? The meaning of that is Hasni, the midpoint of first diagonal AC, the midpoint of first diagonal AC is same as midpoint of the second diagonal BD.
Okay.
Diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram. So in parallelogram shortcut we'll write like this as two parallel lines and GM, which means that parallelogram.
Okay.
Now here I am marking the midpoint of parallelogram Hasni O. This O is there now Hasni, that is same for both the diagonals.
Okay.
That is the meaning of diagonals bisect each other. Means both of them cut exactly at their midpoint. Both of them cut themselves at their midpoint. That is the meaning of diagonal bisect. Okay, Ashley?
Okay, sir.
So this is common for rectangle, square, rhombus also. If they change the name of the parallelogram here with rectangle, square, rhombus, and the similar find K also, still we should do the same process.
Okay.
So now what I will do is midpoint. What is the meaning of the statement? Midpoint of AC diagonal is same as midpoint of another diagonal is what has the BD. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So now what I'll do, Hasni, I'll apply the midpoint formula for A and C and midpoint formula for B and D.
Okay.
What is midpoint formula, Hasni? Yesterday also we used it for one of the question.
x1 plus x2 by 2, comma
And
y1.
y1 plus y2 by 2. So for A and C, B and D, we should apply separately and equity task. Once you'll quickly tell it, Hasni, what I have to write now. X1 plus x2. A and C, Hasni. X1 is 1 now, x2 is K.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Directly imagine Hasni because just 2 marker, no, we need not write a x1, y1 like that. We can save the time, Hasni, not for now. Okay.
Okay.
Imagine this is x1, y1 and x2, y2 for AC. We need to apply it. Okay. In exam, you need to write the formula beside. Okay.
Okay.
Midpoint formula beside in when you're writing this answer.
Okay.
Tell me 1 plus k by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 ask. For these two ask. Directly. Right.
2 plus 2 by 2.
This ask. So in exam has me, we need to write the formulas wherever required. Here in our tuition, I'm just to save the time, I'm not writing because those also, suppose by mistake any calculation mistake will go Hasni, they'll carry the marks, sir. That is the reason. We can get some.
Okay.
Wherever required, we should write the formulas Hasni.
Okay, sir.
The one which you are using, that formula we should write.
Okay.
Yes, Hasni. So now similarly, can you tell for BD Hasni faster? Same formula. Diagonal BD.
BD, sir. 2 minus 4 by 2.
2 plus minus 4 by 2, comma.
3 plus 3 by 2.
Yes. Now Hasni, we will just parallelly, here there is no use with this y coordinates. Because 2 plus 2, 4 by 2, 2 only. Here 3 plus 2, 6 by 2.
3.
So both should come same as. Did I mark it in a order, Hasni? Order only I marked it, no Hasni?
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, A, B, C, D. 1 comma minus. Oh, A is 1 comma minus 2, Hasni.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It is 1 comma. Anyways, with that there is no use for us Hasni here, but okay, Hasni.
Okay.
1 comma minus 2, B is 2 comma 3, C is K comma 2, and D is minus 4 comma. You can see Hasni D also I wrote wrong. Minus 3, minus 4 comma minus 3.
Okay.
So now when that is what I am checking Hasni. Both of these should come same act.
Okay.
So minus 2 plus 2, 0 by 2, 0 Hasni. Minus 3 plus 3, 0 by 2, 0. So there is no use anyways with this y1 Hasni because K is with X no. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This correspondingly will equate into this Hasni to get the value of K.
Okay.
Because when we say that x comma y, suppose if we say that x comma y is equal to 2 comma 3 Hasni, what is the meaning of that 2 comma 3? What is the meaning of that Hasni? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that like that here we are equating the x coordinates. That is this is the x coordinate in the left hand side. This is the x coordinate in the right hand side. Both of them we are equating because those two are equal. That is the reason.
Okay.
Y coordinates anyways equal Hasni because there is no variable in the y coordinates. So this is 0. This is 0 only variable.
Okay.
So since k we require, we have to equate the x coordinates. If suppose k is there in the here, then we equate those as per that.
Okay.
Here k is there in the x1, so we need to equate the x1. So right side 2 plus minus 4 ask me 2 minus 4. No, can I directly write?
Yes, sir.
So now I'll just substitute. I'll just find out the value. Ask me 1 plus k by 2 is equal to 2 minus 4 by 2, which is 1 plus k by 2 has me is equal to 2 minus 4 is how much has me?
Minus 2.
Minus 2 by 2.
Minus 1.
Shall I directly write it as me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now cross multiplication has to find out the value of k. So 1 plus k is equal to minus 1 into 2 is
2.
minus 2. Okay.
Okay.
Now k finally has to be 1 will go that side. K is equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus. Can I directly write it as me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So answer is k is equal to minus. If we substitute it and check it also, we'll get 100% LHS RHS value same as 1 plus minus 3 means minus 2 by 2 minus 1. So right side also already minus 1 only. It is option 2 plus minus 1 minus 2, right? Okay.
Okay.
This is the 18th one. Asking. Shall we go to the next question? Asking. Shall I read it?
Okay, sir.
So this model also definite model has in coordinate geometry chapter total around 6 marks in the final exam. Actually, I cannot.
Okay, sir.
Total 6 marks in the final exam. Ask me 100% these models only they are giving us either equidistant relationship like between by giving equidistant or section. Yesterday we did one section formula that is trisection coordinates of points of trisection.
Yes, sir.
That one or this one, this 2 marker. Total 6 marks has been easy to score. Just it's a small chapter now. If you concentrate all the six, if you get it, it will be useful for everyone.
Okay.
So remember now, Hasni, 18th one. They'll just in exam they'll change the figure with the rectangle, square, rhombus. All of them same formula
Oh,
because it's a common point. Diagonals bisect each other is a common point for all of them. Hasni. Because reason is rectangle, square, and rhombus also can be called as parallelograms
okay.
because opposite sides are parallel. That is
Okay, sir.
both the pair of opposite sides parallel. Yes. So Hasni, 19th one. Hasni. Shall you go to the 19th one?
Okay, sir.
I shall read the question. Hasni, 19th.
A bag contains 6 red, 4 black, and some white balls. Find the number of white balls in the bag if the probability of drawing a white ball is 1/3.
Yes. So Ashley, 6 red, 4 black, and some white balls. It says some white balls. We don't know how many are there. Okay, Ashley. Is that Ashley?
Yes, sir.
So now, Ashley, this is a question where algebra is linked with the probability chapter. Very rarely, most of the time, they are giving direct questions. Ashley, this type of questions they used to give some years back.
Okay.
So most of the time, they're giving direct questions in probability chapter. Also, if 3 markers also easy to score only. But we should be ready to do this type of ones also.
Okay.
So here, the ones, the number of white balls they didn't give it as,
Okay.
and that is only the first question. Find the number of
Right.
white balls. So this is algebra linked with probability. The ones that are not given generally will take it as X now in algebra chapters.
Yes, sir.
So here also same. We will let the number of white balls be X like that. We should take it as first term. So algebra linked with this probability chapter, this type of model as okay.
Okay.
So now first one has the number of red balls. How many has been? 6. Red balls 6 we have. Black balls, how many has been? 4, no? So has been.
Yes, sir.
Let the number of white balls is equal to X has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni, to find out that definitely they will give some condition, some equation will be, some known thing will be given. Then only we can frame an equation.
Yes, sir.
So here they said that first question, find the number of white balls in the bag if probability of drawing a white ball is how much has me
1/3.
means what has me they gave probability of white ball already to frame an equation.
Okay.
So now has me generally suppose white balls are already given here. Let us take white balls or some 5 has me. Let us take just example. Red ball 6, white black balls 4, white balls 5 has me. What is the probability of getting a white ball has me?
So, what's could you repeat the question?
In that bag Hasni, let us take the red ball 6 are there, black balls 4 are there, white balls 5 are there. Hasni.
Okay.
So what is the probability of getting the white ball if we take it? Number of possible outcomes of the white ball by total balls are
Okay.
formula. So 5 white balls are there suppose.
Okay. 1/3, sir.
No, Hasni, that one is, I'm framing it on my own. Suppose white balls 5 are there, red balls 6 are there, black balls 4 are there. Okay. So in that bag, if suppose if you are picking a ball, what is the probability of getting a white ball?
So
Direct question.
you have to use the formula by possible outcomes by total outcomes, right?
Total outcome. Yes, sir. Much faster because direct. No?
Sir, is the possible outcomes of white ball is 5?
Ask me.
So once I forgot, what is the possible outcomes of white ball, sir? Is it 5?
Yes, ask me.
And the total is it 6 plus 4 plus 5, right, sir?
Yes, ask me. That is correct. So 5 by 50.
So 5 by 15 is 1 by 3 only, right, sir?
Yes, ask me. Means here I gave it like it matched us. So generally, if suppose probability of white balls means what we will do, Hasni? We'll take the number of white balls by total balls.
Yes, sir.
So we'll write that only now. They gave already probability of white balls, but white balls here is x no, Hasni, not 5 no.
Yes, sir.
So we'll frame it equation now. Generally, formula is number of possible outcomes of white ball by total balls. White balls, how many are there, Hasni, as per this question?
5.
No. In this question, Hasni. In this question. We took it as because they didn't give that only we need to find out. No, we took it as
Question it's X, sir.
yes, Hasni. So numerator should be x by total balls. Total balls, how many, Hasni? Generally, in before question, what you did, you have added all of them.
Yes, sir.
So now this one should do that only. 6 plus 4 plus x. Easy, Hasni. Before writing this equation, that is the reason why I gave you one question. You said that answer means this you should understand. We just applied the same formula. Number of possible outcomes by total outcomes.
Yes, sir.
Here, white balls are not given, so we took it as x. So number of possible outcomes will be x.
Okay.
By total outcomes, 6 plus 4 plus you have before means number is there, so we got 15. Here, first two we can add, but the third one is plus x will be like that.
Okay.
That's only we need to find. This 1 by 3, whatever we got in before answer, that is already given here.
Okay, sir.
To find out this x.
Okay.
Reverse question. Understood, Asmi?
Yes, sir.
So now we'll just solve this equation to find out x Asmi, number of white balls. In the before question, white balls are already given, probability is asked. We directly used the formula, we got 1 by 3 asked. This one, 1 by 3 probability is already given. They're asking that white balls number.
Okay.
Like that. So now we'll just solve this Asmi, x by 6 plus 4, 10 now Asmi
Yes, sir.
is equal to 1 by cross multiplications. 10 plus x, denominator x will be 10 plus x, 10 plus x only now Asmi.
Yes, sir.
So in cross multiply it has to be 3 into x is equal to 1 into 10 plus x will be 10 plus x. 1 into 10. Okay. Any doubt asking?
Yes, sir.
So x will come left side as well. X minus x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 by 2. How much has me?
Right.
So this only we got before now has we took 5. That only we got it. Reverse way has. This is reverse model.
Okay.
When the probability is already given to find out the variable.
Okay, sir.
So here this model is used to come some years back actually very important. This is linked algebra linked with the probability. Why algebra? Because x we took
Okay, sir.
unknown thing x is involved. No, that's it.
Okay, sir.
So ask me, I think if suppose in your school exam, any of the exam will come, you should be able to do it.
Okay, sir.
So what is the point? The point is you just use it the probability formula only.
Okay, sir.
Number of possible outcomes, the total outcomes, which is already given 1 by.
Okay.
With the known thing, that's the reason why I gave an example for you to understand this equation. I think why I wrote this, how I wrote this, you understood it.
Okay, sir.
Next one asks me. In the same question, how many red balls should be removed from the bag? How many red balls should be removed from the bag for the probability of drawing a white ball to be half of the number of white balls.
Oh,
So this is little typical one, Hasni, you should understand. So here Hasni, what they're telling is how many red balls should be removed from the bag. Means they want to remove some red balls from the bag, Hasni, so that the probability of drawing a white ball to be half if the number of white balls are 8, Hasni.
okay.
Means what, Hasni? They're telling that if they remove some balls, red balls from the bag, if they remove some red balls from the bag, Hasni, the probability of white balls will become half itself.
Okay.
In that case, number of white balls are 8 itself.
Oh,
In that situation, number of white balls are how many, Hasni? 8. If number of 8 white balls are 8, probability of white balls should be half it seems, and they remove some red balls from them.
okay.
Now we'll understand this situation, Hasni. So we'll write a fresh values for this. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So now what I'll do is, Hasni, clearly in the situation what we have is white balls, 8 are there, Hasni. How
Okay.
many white balls?
8.
8. Now they mentioned that red balls are removed, Hasni. Means black balls they didn't mention anything about. So black balls will be 4 only, no, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
They didn't mention anything about the black balls. So 4 they'll be removed. So red balls originally how many are there, Hasni?
Sir, red balls, how many are there in original?
Yes, Hasni.
6.
6. Now they said that in this question they removed some red balls, no?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So let us take y balls are removed, Hasni, because already x we used it. No? Let us take y balls are removed, Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If y balls are removed from x, how many are there present, Hasni?
6 minus 1.
Yes, Hasni, correct. Where y is the number of balls, number of red balls removed.
Okay.
Now, Hasni, what I will do is, as per this, we'll write the probability. They said that in this particular case, in this particular situation, probability of white ball is given as half.
Okay.
Now, probability of white ball, actually, how we will get, Hasni? Number of white balls by total.
Okay, sir.
So, what is the number of white balls in this case, Hasni?
8.
So, we'll write the equation, Hasni. 8 by, whatever the rate can you tell, Hasni? Total balls. 8 by
Total 1.
probability formula we are applying.
Okay.
Number of possible outcomes by total outcomes.
Total.
So, read out, Hasni.
No, sir.
So now what I have to write, numerator is 8, denominator is total balls. Now present total balls are what, has to be 8 plus 4 plus 6 minus
Yes, sir.
8 plus 4 plus 6 minus. Any doubt, Hasni, still?
No, sir.
So now 8 by, if we got an equation here, Hasni, 8 by, if we cross multiply it, Hasni, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 minus y is equal to 16, Hasni. I wrote a direct step, Hasni. Try to understand this.
Okay, sir.
8 into 16 cross multiplication. Here 1 into anything is same. 8 plus 4, 12. No, Hasni. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 minus y.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Now while my y will go that say 16 will come left side, Hasni. So we'll get the y is equal to minus y is equal to 16 minus 18 minus 2.
Okay.
So y equal to any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Hasni?
No doubt, sir. Could you hear me?
Hasni. So Hasni, this question, if you learn in probability chapter, you can do any question.
Okay, sir.
Because most of the time this type of ones they used to give some years back. So this is linked with algebra and probability.
Okay.
Where probability is not directly asked, but already probability is given, and they're asking some number of things in the question. Balls.
Okay, sir.
Balls. So ask me, actually, here one more thing is like, why is the number of balls which we removed? Why only we got it asked? Fine. What is the number of white? What is the number of red balls removed? No, is the question second one.
Yes, sir.
So we took that as y and we took it. If we want, we can verify it now, ask. So in this situation, actually, in the second question situation, white balls are 8 now, ask me.
Yes, sir.
Red balls are originally 6, now 2 are removed. We got y as 2 now.
Yes, sir.
So 6 minus 2, how much, ask me?
Sir, 6 minus?
2. Originally 6 red balls are there. 2 we got removed. No, 2 got removed. Why we got it 2? No, we are doing verification as whether it's correct or not. Okay. So 6 minus 2, how many has the present red balls?
Yeah. Sir, it's 4 right, sir.
It's asking. Black balls, sir, they didn't do anything, so 4 only.
Okay.
Now we can check Hasni. Probably in this situation, probability of white balls, they said half, no?
Yes, sir.
So once we'll do it. Now probability of white balls is number of possible white balls, that is 8 by total balls. 8 plus 4 plus 4. How much Hasni?
8 plus 16.
Total number of balls. How much Hasni? 16. So 8 by 16, 8 ones are 8
2.
2s. 1 by 2 only we got now.
Yes, sir.
So clearly they also give 1 by 2, no, in this case.
Yes, sir.
So using that 1 by 2 only, we wrote the equation also.
Okay.
So this is correct, whatever we did.
Okay.
Okay, Ashley?
Okay, sir.
Shall I delete it, Ashley? 20th
Yes, sir, you can delete it.
one has. Twentieth one. Once you read the question after 20.
If the zeros of polynomial x square plus 3x plus q are doubled in the value of zeros of 2x square minus 5x minus 3, find the value of p and q.
Yes, has. So they said that Hasni, if the zeros of the polynomial are double in value to the zeros of.
Okay.
Means Hasni, what they're telling is like this is one polynomial, no Hasni?
Yes, sir.
For this, some zeros will be there, no?
Yes, sir.
Let us just roughly, let us take 2 and 3 are the zeros. You
Okay,
cannot take that like that, just for your understanding, I'm telling. Okay, Hasni?
okay, sir.
2 and 3 for this. They're telling that if the zeros of this polynomial are double in value to the zeros of this house.
Okay.
Means what? Or else let us take for this, it is 2 comma 3 Hasni. So for this, what it will become Hasni? 4 comma in that case. Because they said that zeros of this polynomial are double of this.
Okay.
Suppose this particular polynomial has 2 comma 3. This polynomial will become double of that. Means 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 2 6.
Okay, sir.
3 plus 3 6. Like that.
Okay.
So that is the situation happening here.
Okay.
You know what we should do? They said we can understand easily one thing, Hasni. That one way is Hasni. One of the ways we will find out the factor that we will find out the zeros of the second polynomial,
Okay.
and we will that whatever zeros we get for the second polynomial, if we double it, that will be the zeros for this first polynomial.
Okay.
That is one way, Hasni.
Okay.
Okay. So we will do that one, Hasni.
Yes.
So let us find the zeros of the second polynomial first, Hasni. Second polynomial is 2x square minus 5x minus 3. You can see Hasni product is 6.
Yes, sir.
I'm finding out the zeros, so equating it to 0. So 6 Hasni, so minus 2x minus 3x will come Hasni.
Okay.
Minus 2x, minus 3x.
Okay.
Into factorization.
Okay.
So 2x into x minus 1 Hasni minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Now x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 Hasni.
Okay.
X is equal to, directly I'm writing Hasni, minus 2 will go to the other side. Plus 3, 3 by 2. Any doubt, Hasni?
No doubt, sir.
Yes. Now, Hasni, whatever zeros we got for the first one, if we double it, that will be the zeros for the second polynomial. This one. Okay. As per the question, that only knows.
Yes, sir. Could you hear me?
Yes, Hasni. So given zeros of x square plus px plus q, or double of above
Okay.
above polynomial zeros Hasni. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So now what I have to do is Hasni, I simply for this polynomial now the zeros are Hasni 2. Can you tell Hasni double it? We will double it. So alpha is how much Hasni? 1 plus 1?
2.
Before one whatever we got Hasni, we will double it now.
Okay, sir.
3 by 2 into 2.
Okay.
So 3. 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 you can do it Hasni 6 by 2, then also 3 only get 3 by 2 into 2 you can do also 3 only.
Okay.
Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
So we got now we know how to find out the polynomial now.
Yes, sir.
When we have or else you can do sum of zeros, you'll get it easily over. It will be many ways you can do from here.
Okay.
You can see p is there in the position of coefficient of x now. See?
Yes, sir.
So just apply sum of zeros.
Okay.
Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is what has been minus
By
3 by a. So what I'll do is Hasni from for this polynomial. What is b Hasni?
3 by 2.
See?
So what is B only, right? So you asked?
Yes, Hasni.
3 by 2, sir.
But Hasni, you're telling about this
Okay.
only.
That B, sir. Okay, sorry, sir. It's 5. Actually, minus 5, sir. So it's and it is
No,
minus.
no, Hasni, for this one, for this.
Okay, it's P, sir.
P or only P no Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what I'm doing is for this polynomial alpha and beta we got it now.
Yes, sir.
So I'm considering alpha plus beta as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Alpha plus beta is equal to my how much 3 plus 2 plus 3. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a
Okay.
is 5. We already got no to alpha and beta. I added
Yes, sir.
relationship between zeros and coefficients. I got zeros here already. I'm adding it. So 2 plus 3 5. That alpha plus beta formula also we know it. No minus b by coefficient relationship between zeros and coefficients.
Yes, sir.
So minus b by a. So minus b by a is how much has me for this polynomial?
So, once could you repeat for that polynomial? What is?
We are applying minus b by a. B is p.
Then it's
A
1.
is p.
A is 1.
Yes, has. A is 1. So is equal to 5. So cross multiplied as we get the p minus p is equal to 5 to 1 5. P is equal to
Minus 5.
this as. Now consider product of zeros as we will get the q.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This as alpha beta is equal to alpha beta is equal to 2 into 3 as. Okay.
Okay.
C by once I'll do it from the place. So alpha beta is equal to
6.
C by A, which is equal to 2 into 3 now. See?
Yes, sir.
So C by A means how much has me? Q by this I write. Not here.
By 1.
Alpha beta is equal to 2 into 3. Actually, you should write this whatever I'm writing in the next step. Alpha beta means C by A
Okay.
is equal to 6, which implies C by A means has me
Q by 1.
C is Q. Okay.
Okay.
So this Q by A means Q by 1 has me is equal to 6, which implies Q is equal to okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt has me?
No, sir.
Actually, this particular question we can solve it in many ways, Hasni. This is one of the way.
Okay.
Actually, Hasni, if you remember that time I was telling in polynomials chapter, few models are there for standard paper, no? These are only that type of ones.
Okay.
So here one more way what you can do is Hasni, since we have the zeros of this polynomial alpha and beta, we know one formula now. Hasni, when we know zeros of the polynomial, how to form the polynomial x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta.
Yes, sir.
Remember, Hasni, this formula.
Okay.
Hasni.
Yes, sir. It's x square minus x into sum plus products, right, sir?
Yes, Hasni. So since we know the individual zeros for this polynomial, we can frame the polynomial x square minus x into alpha plus beta means 2 plus 3.
Okay.
And alpha beta means 2 into 3 6. Now we got the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. This is same as this one, the one which I x square plus px plus q. Compare it as now. In the
Okay.
place of p, what we have minus 5.
Okay.
In the place of q, we have Hasni?
Plus 6.
Yes, Hasni. So p is 6, q is minus p is minus 5, q is 6. Hasni. Like that also we can.
Okay.
But we should see that 100% here also x square coefficient is 1 Hasni, here also clearly 1 only. Then whatever p and q are there, those only are the values of.
Okay.
This is the second method. Since we know the zeros of the polynomial 2 and 3, we know how to form the polynomial.
Yes, sir.
So using that formula, x minus x into sum of zeros plus product of zeros, that after we get the polynomial, we compare it with whatever they gave, x square plus px plus.
Okay.
Then we'll get the p and q values.
Okay.
Whichever is convenient for you, you can do that. I feel this is also easy only. This is also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Asmi?
Okay, sir.
Here, first method means we use the relationship between zeros and coefficients. That is, alpha and beta, whatever we got, their product we did it, and the product we equated it to c by a.
Okay.
We got q, and same way, alpha and beta sum we did it, and that sum we equated it to minus b by a. Then we got the q value.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, sum when we did, we got p, product when we did q, we got. Because p is in the product of p is in the place of p, no? So c is, q is in the place of c. So whatever the zeros we got, sum when we did it 5, that 5 equated into minus b by a, then in the process we got p has b. And product similarly 2 into 3, 6, we equated it to c by a. When we equated it to c by a, then we got the value of q has
Okay.
in the first method. Okay.
Okay.
We'll go to the next question. Ask me in that only 20th for one more is there. So they said once you read the question, ask me.
If quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 1 has zeros as alpha and beta, form a quadratic polynomials whose zeros are 3a and 3b. 3 alpha and 3 beta.
Yes, Hasni. Means sir, they said that Hasni indirectly, if you see Hasni, this and before one are same. Before one, whatever the zeros of the second polynomial, further double if we do this polynomial zeros, they said that.
Okay.
Now, what did they say is Hasni in this question? If the quadratic polynomial has zeros alpha and beta, means this particular polynomial zeros are alpha and beta Hasni. Okay. Then they're asking us to form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta. Means what? Means what Hasni? Triple, 3 times.
Okay.
Before polynomial zeros, 3 times if you do, we'll get the next polynomial zeros.
Okay.
The one which we need to find. But this one we can do it in much easier way actually.
Okay.
So now what I'll do is, uh, actually that one also, like I said, many ways now, that particular time we got that idea, so I finished that sum in that way.
Okay.
So this sum also is similar to that one we have. I'm explaining you one more model now here.
Okay.
Whichever is convenient for you, that one has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now 20th B bit has me. That is here what we will do is we finally require a polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta now. See? Then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta. Is that asking?
Yes, sir.
So we know formula already asking. Polynomial is given as x square minus k into actually some constant will be there if you remember.
Yes, sir.
K into x square minus x into sum plus
Product.
product of zeros. Yes or no, Hasmi?
Yes, sir.
Of zeros I'm not writing Hasmi. So I'll write space is not there. I'll write it.
Okay.
Sum of zeros, product of zeros. Okay, Hasmi?
Okay, sir.
Now, Hasmi, since the polynomial, what are the zeros for the given polynomial which we require to find out, Hasmi? The polynomial zeros, they give it not.
3 R.
Yes, 3 alpha and
3 beta.
yes, Hasmi. So, required polynomial is x square minus k into x square minus x into sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means you have to add 3 alpha plus 3 beta. No?
Yes, sir.
3 alpha plus 3 beta. Product of zeros means asking plus product of zeros means 3 alpha into 3 beta means 9 alpha beta.
Okay. Ah, sir.
Any doubt?
Okay, sir.
No doubt, no?
No doubt, sir.
So now ask me k into x square minus x into, I can take 3 common now here.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes x into 3 means can I write directly 3x as
Yes, sir.
into inside what will get alpha plus beta. So now see
Yes, sir.
into 9 alpha beta
Beta.
plus 9 alpha beta. Any doubt asking?
No, sir.
Now this let us keep it like this only as. If we know alpha plus beta and alpha beta, we'll get the answer for this.
Okay.
So now for the first polynomial, now we will use the first polynomial which they gave us.
Okay.
What is the first polynomial they said Hasni? If quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 1 has zeros alpha and beta, means what Hasni? For that polynomial given this, let us keep it in equation 1 as this, let us given alpha comma beta or zeros of 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is so now Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Now for this alpha plus beta and alpha beta we can find out directly using minus b by a and c by a. Is so now Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So for this alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is b and a values Hasni?
Minus 3 is B, sir. So plus 3 by 2.
Yes, Hasni. So minus of minus 3 by a is 2 Hasni, which is 3 by a. Correct Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Now alpha beta c by a, which is equal to
1 by 2.
this Hasni. Now they said the other one also has 3 alpha 3 beta. In the process of solving we got alpha plus beta Hasni there and alpha beta. This is a this alpha beta only, no? That also.
Yes, sir.
So after simplifying as per 3 alpha beta, we got an expression there. There, when we took 3 common and there, alpha plus beta and alpha beta is there in that. So simply we'll substitute it there
Yes, sir.
in the place of that. We'll get the answer.
Yes, sir.
Our required thing is this asking finally.
Okay.
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 So now alpha plus beta we got it and alpha beta we got it from the first expression.
Okay, sir.
We'll just substitute it in that. So required polynomial is so required. So required polynomial is just we are doing it substitution asking. Okay.
Okay.
In the place of alpha plus beta 3 by 2 will write it as there and in alpha beta 2 1 by 2 will write
Okay, sir.
a into x square minus 3x into alpha plus beta means what we have to write it as 3 by 2 plus alpha beta means 9 into the 9 is there non passing already.
Yes, sir.
I'm just substituting in that 9 into 1 by now Hasni just we'll simplify it k into x square minus 3x into 3 Hasni which is 9x by 2 plus 9 by
2.
any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
LCM is 2 Hasni overall.
Okay.
So what will it has next step? Can you tell the next step Hasni? K into
Oh, sir, we have to take K as 2, right, sir? For We will use LCM.
It's asking after finishing LCM asking overall after time next time. Okay, because x square by 1, no, that is LCM we should do, no?
Yes, sir.
This has or if you take k only first only means the 2 should be multiplied overall inside, then the fractions get cut anyways. That also is okay.
Okay.
So k into inside LCM will take it as to make overall denominator 2. So it will become x square by 1, no, that is this one asking.
Yes, sir.
So k into we will get it as 2x square by 2 has
Okay.
minus 9x by 2 plus 9 by, because the other two are already 2, so they are denominator.
Yes, sir.
Read out mostly.
No, sir.
Okay, ask me. So now can I write it like k into 2x square minus 9x plus 9 by 2?
Yes, sir.
So we will take let k is equal to, let k is equal to 2. So 2 will get cut harshly. So the required polynomial is 2x square minus 9x plus 9.
Okay.
Because when we take 2 there harshly, 2 and 2 into that overall, the denominator 2 will get cut harshly.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt harshly?
No, sir. No, sir.
Harshly?
No doubt, sir.
Yes. So this why we did this way is asking, because the reason is the difference between before question and this question is, in before question they didn't ask the polynomial ask, they already gave the polynomial and they asked p and q in that. Then after finding out the zeros, we'll use this formula only to find out the polynomial, and then we'll compare it and we'll get p and q. That is one way, and one more way also we did it already. In this question actually they asked us to form the quadratic polynomial.
Okay.
2 zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta. So for this we should prefer this way only.
Okay.
Because they're asking us to form the quadratic polynomial. So how will you get the quadratic polynomial? Has to be the formula k into x minus x into sum of zeros plus product of zeros.
Okay.
So we use that formula only with 3 alpha and 3 beta, which one for which they are asking. For that only we wrote the formula, and clearly we substituted sum of zeros means 3 alpha plus 3 beta and product of zeros 3 alpha and 3 beta. Then we got k into x minus 3x into, we took 3 common there, and overall we got alpha plus beta inside and plus 9 alpha beta. Then we alpha plus beta and alpha beta values we got it from the first expression.
Okay.
From the first, since they said that alpha and beta are the zeros for the first expression which they gave in the question. For that expression, alpha plus beta we using minus b by a, we got it as 3 by 8.
Okay.
Since alpha and beta are the zeros for the polynomial, and alpha beta product of zeros, we got it as 1 by 2, c by a. Then we just substituted this alpha plus beta 3 by 2 and alpha beta 1 by 2 in the one which we require. I kept the box mostly that one.
Okay, sir.
Then we simplified it hastily, we got the polynomial which finally they're asking.
Okay.
Any doubt ask me?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Did I do any mistake asking? Because C by A there is no actually C by A is 1 by 2, no? So product of zeros 3 into 1 by 2. I think some mistake I just a second asking. Did I do any mistake asking? 2 square. Sum of zeros minus 9 by 2 for this, which is 3 times 2 9 by 2. Okay. Product will be alpha beta is 1 by 2. So 9 into 1 bit, correct or not?
Okay.
I just verified it in my class. Whether this, because whatever the sum of zeros and product of zeros we got see, for the first polynomial, that the 3 times, no?
Yes,
The
sir.
zeros are for the second polynomial.
Yes, sir.
So that just I will. It's correct, Hasni.
Okay.
So there is no doubt now, Hasni.
No doubt.
So Hasni, the ones which I was telling some days back now, Hasni, in polynomials, some standard questions we need to do. We did the textbook.
Yes, sir.
All the models of that are covered here.
Okay.
That whatever the standard questions which we left in polynomials chapter, which we need to do from old question papers and all of these are covered here. So if you correctly learn these, Hasni, 100% polynomials completely it is finished, Hasni,
Okay, sir.
including the standard questions also.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
So once you will perfectly learn these polynomials questions, whatever questions we did it from this worksheet, Hasni.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni. Yeah, again we'll do it now next Sunday morning.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni.